Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this short series of Python programming, we are going to see what is zip and Python, right? So Python is, let's see the theory here first of all. So zip is a built-in function that combines multiple iterables. Iterables, that means I'm talking about your sequence, right? What is the data type or data you have been defined, like list, sets, dictionary, or what, right? So it's a built-in function that combines multiple iterables. Okay, that could be list or tuples or anything, right? Element by element. So it combines the multiple iterables. Okay, it returns the pairs as tuples, where the first item form a pair, the second item form the another. Okay, so on the series would be moved out. So if you're having, like, let's say, it is going to just return you the pairs of tuples. Okay, where first item will form a pair. Okay, we will be moving out towards a Visual Studio Code. Then you guys would be having better clarity. How does this zip will work, right? Let's just see quickly a syntax. We can write the zip keyword for zip function. You can give the iterables whatever you want. Iterables, that is simply list, dictionary, sets, whatever you want, right? Let's just move towards our Visual Studio Code. I'm going to give here the names list. Okay. First of all, let me just specify a few names. Let's say my name is Kaju. Let's have the name as Sam. Let's have the name as Amit. I can give another marks. I can give some marks, right? 49, 67, 89. So let's just try to get the pairs with the help of zip function. So I'm going to use out here a for loop, which is going to give me the name, and here I'm going to take my mark in my zip function. So inside zip we need to pass the sequence, of course, right? So multiple sequence, that is names and marks we are talking about here. So simply we are going to pass the same, right? So you can see here S is missing. Let's just try to print out simply our result. That is nothing but, which is name, which is code, marks, right? So it won't be marks, it would be mark. If I'm trying to run, we just got the response. See, this is how we are just going to get the uh, like names and marks together, okay, with the help of zip function. So you can just get the combination of multiple iterables with the help of zip. Thank you so much.